All right, here we go. Come on, help me. All right. So, think of this. 4.8 times, Robert, have a seat please. 4.8 times 110, or 10 to the first power. So we're going to be working with powers a lot this period. Okay? Robert, put on the video. Alright.
What are you talking about?
What is 4.8 times 110? Guys!
What? You're talking about something.
Shut up, Robert.
You can't life.
This is on video. I don't know. I'm just going to post it. I'm trying to get you guys to focus so it sounds like you guys are actually paying attention. What is 4.8 times 110? 110. That's what this one is standing for. Okay? Now you could have 5 of those, right? How many zeros would you have if you had 5 tens?
What?
Robert, how many zeros would you have if you had 5 tens? Well, take a guess.
10,000.
Which, okay, so how many zeros would that be?
5.
5 zeros. That's right. Okay? So, you take whatever the tens are and you move that over that many places. Okay? That's all you're doing. So if I'm moving this one place over to the right because it's a positive, or if I'm moving it one place over to the left because it's a negative, that's it. That's all I'm doing. Okay? So, again, it's a positive. I move it to the right. That's a 48. Negative, I move it to the left. 0.49. That's all I'm asking you to do. If that's a 3, I'm going to move it 3 that way. If it's a negative 3, I'm going to move it negative 3 the other way. Okay? Now, with that said, we have to be able to go frontwards and backwards. Lenora, put the phone away.
Sorry.
Summer, phone away. Alila, phone away.
Anthony, phone away. Charles. Shut up.
Alright, how many places am I moving this? 1, 2, 3. Guys.
Yeah. Alright, cut it again.
So Robert, help me out. I'm moving this 3 places. I always want to move it to a point that has a number between 1 and 9. Okay? A number among 1 and 9. Okay? I don't want to put 10 points something, and I don't want to put less than 1. I want 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, 5 point, 6 point, 7 point, 8 point, 9 point. That's it. In this case, it's 7.4 times 10. How many places did I have to move that?
3.
3. Now, is that a positive or negative 3?
Positive.
Did it go?
We went right? Oh, never went left. No, negative.
Yeah, see, when we're going left in this direction, right, that means when we have to go right to get back to it, does that make sense?
Yeah.
We go right, it's going to be negative. It's the opposite. Okay? Alright? So I used to teach this a long time ago.
Yeah, we're 60. Yeah.
And the ways we came up with it for learning to remember it, right? Where if I have to make the number bigger or if I have to make the number smaller, right? So if this number gets smaller, then it's going to be negative. If your scientific number gets smaller, then it's going to be negative. If it gets bigger, right, then it's going to be positive. Okay? So in this case, I'm making this a bigger number, so the 8.5 would actually get smaller, so I know right away that it's times 10 to the negative. But how negative? Robert? Lenora? How negative?
What if you say
How many places did I move it?
yeah.
Tony?
Yeah.
Put the phone away. How many places did I move it?
3.
4.
We on this one? Oh, number 4. Yeah, 4.
4.
Yeah. It's a lot easier to tell, Tony, when you're paying attention and not looking at your phone.
Sorry, Dan.
So, I taught 4 problems, and I don't even know how long. And I've told, it's been 5 minutes and 55 seconds, and I've told 1, 2, 3, 4 students to put their phones away.
Not me.
Did I say you?
Yeah.
I said 4 students, 4 problems, 5 minutes. Actually 6.
Is that bad?
That's terrible.
For real?
Yeah, for real. I want you to look this up. When your kids go in here, I can't wait.
My kids.
Because this will still be on the YouTube. And when your kids are going here and they have me, and I'm really old, right? I'm going to have you look at this and you're going to tell me how terrible it is. Right?